Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant. And I just unboxed my second machine. I wasn't going to film how of a struggle it was to do it by myself. But I'm going to let you see what it looked like in the box, and then I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to have a lot of stuff to clean up. This phone. This is the square one. And this one is also battery. Alright, let me draw here. Wow. Get it on this foam all over so I can take it off the box. This thing is nice. And how about, I already made my investment back already. The client we did the project for with the first machine gave me permission to post it. So I'm going to show you guys the before and the after photos that I use this machine. And seeing the blessing for me is I don't gotta have a floor team to do it. I could do it, and I can train with it, and it's gonna give me what I need. Listen, it's gonna perform the job. And then I went to my vendor and got some block pads that fit, not the square one. They said they don't know about the square ones. So I might have to special order them. They gave me some. I got them in the storage unit. But, yeah, she already made my money back. Ain't gonna use it tomorrow. So now, tomorrow, I'll be making a profit. Let me show you this machine. Look at that. $300. Well, either one. One I paid $250, one I paid $3. This is the square scrubber, battery scrubber. I filmed on this iPhone. I don't know how to maneuver this iPhone, but yeah, this here is the square. Oh, it's sticking to the carpet. But this is the square. Let me see. Yeah, this is the square. Oh, I gotta get it off the carpet. And what's really nice about it is they have these wheel guards. Can you see it? Wait, these wheel guards. Oh, I shouldn't have used this phone. Right here, that protects you from bumping the wall. And the battery, on the one I use, I did what? 4 rounds? Battery never died. And then I charged it when I was done, but it never died. Yeah, this was a very good investment. Alright, y'all, I just want to give y'all a sneak peek, but I'm going to show you what the first machine did. And then tomorrow, on the next project, I'm going to show y'all what this machine and other machine, plus my other machines did. Oh yeah, let me show y'all one other machine. This one here, my client let me put in the shop, and I got it out today, and they explained to me how it works. And shoot, this is a mini scrubber, auto scrubber, that picked up the water. Yep, and that's bad. Do not know, do you not know? As soon as I got all this stuff, I got all this floor work. Stuff that I could coach, I can manage. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because see, and a lot of times, the floor guys want to work in the middle of the night. Every project ain't in the middle of the night. And I ain't doing the middle of the night. So, we would be there in the morning. So, it was imperative that I unbox this machine because we need it tomorrow. So, alright, stay tuned for the before and after of the other machine. And sorry for the way this video turned out. I'm just trying to use better camera.